Hello, Mama Joy Channel. Gusto lamang kitang batiin ng happy birthday to you, Mama Joy. Enjoy. Sana masaya ka ngayong araw. Ngayong kaarawan mo. Good luck to your YouTube channel. Thank you for your support. Also, para sa aking YouTube channel. Again, Mama Joy, happy birthday to you. Sana masaya ka. Yun lamang, Mama Joy. Happy birthday to you. Bye-bye po.
Good shout out everyone. Good evening. I just want to greet Mama Joy Channel. Happy birthday, ate. More birthdays to come. God bless to your channel.
Happy birthday po, Mama Joy. Palibrate naman po.
Sasayawan ka namin ng aking dalawang junakis.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, and the star burning tonight. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Once again, happy birthday, ate. Mama Joy Channel. God bless.
Happy birthday po, Mama Joy. Sana po ay huwag po kayong magbabago. Patuloy po sana ang happening sa YT at more power po sa YT niyo po. Enjoy your day po at more birthdays to come. Ingat po palagi. Stay beautiful po at happy. Thank you. Bye-bye. Happy birthday po ulit. God bless.
Hello, Mama Joy. Happy birthday. May you have many more birthdays to come in your life, Mama Joy. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday. Stay healthy and stay pretty always. God bless. Love you.
Hi! Shout out! Gusto ko lang batiin si Mama Joy ng happy birthday! Sana nag-enjoy ka ngayon sa inyong kaarawan, Mama Joy. Wish you all the best, more blessings to come, and sana matapos na yung punggalo mong bahay. Happy birthday, Mama Joy! Ingat ka palagi! Bye!
Hi, Mama Joy. Happy birthday. Happy birthday sa ating dalawa. God bless.
Happy birthday, Mama Joy! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Hello, Mama Joy! I wish you happy birthday. I wish you on your special day, stay mabait, stay humble, stay helpful. Sana bigyan ka pa ni Lord ng mas mahabang buhay. Salamat sa pagiging mabait na mama namin sa YouTube channels. Thank you kasi nakilala ka namin. Thank you sa lahat ng blessing na sinishare mo sa amin. Happy birthday! Good health always. Stay pretty. Bye!
Hi, Mama Joy. Happy birthday to you. Ayan, sana nag-enjoy kayo ni Daniel kanina sa inyong day. At alam ko naman na masaya ka sa araw na ito. I wish you more birthdays to come and good health and stay sweet as you are. Thank you so much at nandiyan ka palagi sa tuwing kailangan ko ng kausap, at nandito lang din ako, Mama Joy, kapag meron kang gustong itanong. Nagre-reply naman ako kapag hindi ako busy. And yun lang, Mama Joy, mag-ingat ka parati and mahal kita. Bye bye, love you.